Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to catch spike in the market. Okay, so as you can see, this is a spike catching strategy. All right, all this while I've been sharing with you guys a scalping strategy, and some are saying that they don't like trading against spike. All right, they don't. So in today's video, I've decided to share with you guys a very powerful spike catching strategy. Okay, so I'm going to first of all share with you guys the indicator setup, and then I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. After clicking on that, the first indicator we have here is the moving average. So you click on this main icon and you search for your moving average. So the period is 1 for this one, the shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame, the style you make it the color of your background, which is black, and you make it 1 pixel. After that, you click on done. Now the next indicator we have here is still a moving average, right? So you click on this main window plus icon again, then you search for moving average. So the period for this one is 35, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its previous indicators data. All right, then the level you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame, the style you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Right, so we are done with the 2 moving average. The next indicator we have here is the relative strength index. So you click on this plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index. These are the properties for the relative strength index. The period is 1, apply to its close, the level 85 and 15, color red for the style, and 3 pixel. Then you click on done. The time frame, all time frame, the style you make it color black and 1 pixel, as you can see right here. After that, you click on done. Right, now once the relative strength index is added, you are going to have the indicator window 1 being formed. So you are going to be clicking on this plus icon to add these 2 moving averages. Okay, so for the first one, the period is 5, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame, you make the color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. For the second one, which is the last one here, the period is 35, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its previous indicators data. The level you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame, the style you make the color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly, you are going to have a screen same as mine, like this one here. All right, so how does the strategy work? Now before I explain that, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful scalping boom and crash strategy, okay, that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, so for those of you interested, you can check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. All right, do make sure to message me. Okay, it's a very powerful strategy for growing small account. Okay, for those of you who have been blowing your account, you can come to me to get the strategy. Okay, so with that being said, now how does this strategy work? All right, so the first thing you have to do before taking an entry with this strategy is to first of all do your analysis. All right, make sure you are in line with the trend of the market before taking any entry. All right, so as you can see, this is a spike catching strategy. So when we are on boom, we want to be catching, we want to be in an uptrend. All right, we want to be in an uptrend so that we can catch the spike effectively. Okay, so you are going to go to the 1 hour time frame. That's where you'll be doing analysis. All right, but you can use any other time frame of your choice, okay? But I recommend the 1 hour time frame for this strategy. Okay, so on the 1 hour time frame, the way you should do the analysis is that you want to first of all make sure that price is above this blue moving average on the main chart. All right, so as you can see, price is above this, so we are safe to catch our spike. All right, now after confirming this, you also check the indicator window. You want to see that this blue line is above the red one. All right, so once it's above the red one and is below this overbought level, all right, so around this area now you can see that price is kind of trying to reverse to the downside. All right, so as you can see on the indicator window, we are already at the overbought level, so anything can happen around this area. So I advise you stay out of the market whenever you see something like this, okay? But once it cross around this area and is still within this area, all right, it's that it has not yet touched the overbought level line. All right, this 85 line here, it has not yet touched the line, then you can still look for your buy setup on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so now that you have analyzed from the 1 hour time frame and you are in an uptrend, you go down to the 1 minute time frame. All right, so here on the 1 minute time frame, what you want to be looking out for before taking an entry is that first of all you want to see a spike. All right, not just any spike. That spike must be powerful enough to break above this blue line here on the main chart. Okay, so this blue line here is serving as our support and resistance zone. All right, so once any spike comes and break above this line, then that is a sign that the downtrend is about to change into an uptrend. Okay, so you can see the spike broke above. All right, so after this movement you wait and check the indicator window. All right, so on the indicator window you need to also confirm that this blue line here crosses above the red one. All right, so once you see this above the red one, immediately, you don't need to wait for anything. All right, just go in for your buy immediately from this area. Right, you go in for your buy and your stop loss is going to be below this area here. All right, so once you take the buy, you place your stop loss below and you wait for the next, and you wait for this blue line here to get to the overbought level. All right, so once it gets to the overbought level, which is around this area here, then you exit the market. All right, so you exit and then you wait for the next opportunity to present itself. Okay, so let me show you guys another example again and then we are done. So as you can see here, all this spike happened and they were unable to break above, and then this one now came, broke above our line. So you take your entry immediately from this area, stop loss below, and you hold till this blue line gets to the overbought level, as you can see here. So you'll be booking a lot of profit. All right, so with this strategy now, you will not be scared of spike coming to take you out, because you yourself, you are now catching the spike. All right, which means you are going to be making a lot of money in a very short time. Okay, so make sure you practice very well with this strategy. It's a very good strategy, I can tell you that for sure. Okay, a very good strategy. So make sure you test it out. All right, once you see that it's working for you, then you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I think that's going to be all for this one. Okay, so for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, you are missing a lot, because I've decided to be giving free signals every single day, profitable signals. Okay, so if you are interested, you check the description of this video and join the channel. Okay, because I share daily signals every single day. All right, so that is all, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Before I go, for those of you who have not yet subscribed, please do make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And don't forget to give the video a like if you know you are getting value from it. All right, so thanks guys, silver out.